Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest in tech.
Today, we're diving into the Cooler Master MasterLiquid 240 Atmos, a liquid cooler that's been making waves in the cooling scene. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk packaging. Cooler Master nailed it with the presentation here. Opening up the box feels like unwrapping a premium product, with everything neatly organized and protected.
It's a small detail, but it sets the tone for what's to come.
Inside, you'll find everything you need for installation, neatly packed and labeled.
From the pre-installed fans to the thermal paste and application tools, Cooler Master has left no stone unturned. The inclusion of a tube of cryo-fused thermal paste is a nice touch, offering flexibility for multiple applications.
Installation is a breeze, especially for Intel LGA 1700 systems like the one we're using today.
The process is well documented, and Cooler Master even provides a QR code for easy access to the manual.
Plus, the fully rotatable braided tubing makes it a cinch to work around any obstacles in your case. Now, let's talk about performance.
The MasterLiquid 240 Atmos packs a punch, offering strong cooling performance even under heavy loads.
With a large copper CPU contact plate and high-quality fans, this cooler handles the heat like a champ. Of course, we can't forget about aesthetics.
The ARGB lighting on this cooler is a sight to behold, and Cooler Master's Master Plus software gives you full control over customization. Whether you're into flashy light shows or a more subdued look, the choice is yours.
In conclusion, the Cooler Master MasterLiquid 240 Atmos is a top-tier AIO cooler that ticks all the boxes.
From premium packaging to excellent performance, it's clear that Cooler Master has put a lot of thought and effort into this product.
If you're in the market for a 240mm AIO, this one deserves a spot on your shortlist. And that wraps up our review of the Cooler Master MasterLiquid 240 Atmos. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.